Hello everybody, this is Kathy. I wanted to just shoot this quick video and walk you through how to log in and how to navigate around through the Small Baby Collaborative course. So when you go to login.synapsecare.com, you should find your login area here, depending on what email address you used, probably your hospital email. Just enter that here and then your password that we sent to you, or you can, of course, reset it. Once you log in, you should be able to access your library. And so if you don't see everything here on your dashboard, just come up here and you can see that there's courses and there are going to be in the future communities in here where we'll be able to have small groups and things like that. But for right now, if you're not seeing anything, just click the courses. That should bring up all of our courses, or you can click on just my courses and then you'll see here that you are able to have access to the stuff that you already own. So if you've done other courses with us, they'll all be here. So here we go for the collaborative. Once you log in, you're going to want to click Start Course. And then once you start course, it's going to take you just into this section here. Now, one of the things I want to make sure that you know to do always, and this is important, is to click this mark as complete. Sometimes we forget to do that. And so once you've completed it, then you can go to the next lesson. So go ahead and do that. And then here's a link to join our Facebook group, which you can do. You'll need to log in with Facebook if you have that. Once you've done that, click that mark complete, and then you can navigate to the next lesson. This is talking about our advisory board. And then you can see over here on the right-hand side that there are sections. And so you can navigate back and forth through the sections in this area. So I'm going to go back over here to categories, and this is going to show you, the various areas. So here's our schedule, and then here is the kickoff call. This was from January. So if you wanted to go in here, one of the things I wanted to mention is, where do you find files? So obviously you see links here, but over here on the right-hand side, you'll see files. And when you click on that, it's going to open up documents. So one of the things in the collaborative is we're sharing lots of documents. And so you'll want to make sure that you don't miss out on that chance to just click there. Here's where you can get the Zoom link. Here's how you can add it to your calendar. So each of these little sections have various things. Then here under Welcome, our 2024-25 journey, this is where all of the monthly calls are going to be. So in February, we just did the first hour. And so you'll see we have some of the articles that we mentioned during the presentation, the objectives, and then click here to go to the CEU evaluation. It's going to open up a new tab. You fill this out, and then we email you your certificate. So you do need to do that. And then over here on the right-hand side, again, are the documents. So any of the things that we mentioned yesterday that you might want to download are here. If you are using our mobile app, which we do have an app that you can put on your phone, what you're going to see is you're going to go, instead of on the right-hand side on your mobile app, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And at the bottom, there's a little thing that looks like a file folder. And when you see the file folder inside there, you click there and then you'll see the documents. So sometimes people miss that too when they're on the mobile version. I'll see if I can get a screenshot of that and pop it into the video. Okay, so that is where you find all of the monthly calls. And so you can see that we have our year planned ahead. We're going to have thermoreg and skin and infection. And so as all of these areas get populated, so of course this just tells you when the meeting is, once that is completed, the video and the replay will be here as well. So give us about, a day to get the recording edited and brought into here. But usually we'll post up either the raw version with all the chat and all the downtime originally in here, and then we'll probably bring the recordings in and chop them up a little bit. So they may look different over time, so just depending on when you're watching this. So let me just go to this one here. This is where the videos will show up. And this is a great video if you haven't watched it yet. It's from Dr. Vargas, just kind of talking about why we need this focus on the small baby, and of course, the inspiration for why we did the small baby course. So anyways, I hope that this is a helpful walkthrough for you. I really want you to get the most out of this collaborative. So it's really important to me that you know how to navigate around through the different parts. So anyways, if you have any questions, reach out to us, support@synapsecare.com. And if you have a question for me, Kathy@synapsecare.com. If you need a fast answer about anything technical, either definitely email in to support@synapsecare. The other way is on our website, synapsecare.com. You can see we have a chat bot there, and that sends an SMS or a text text message to the support team, and they may see that quicker than an email. So if it is something like help me with my password or something like that, and sometimes the chatbot works faster. So on synapsecare.com, down here in the right-hand corner, you just click here and then you can put in your phone number and then you put in your message and we will see that right away. So this is a great way to get help from us when you need that. All right, I think that was it. I just wanted to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you on an upcoming call. Bye.